Evaluate 1 plus 11 over 6 plus 2.5. I'm adding a whole number to an improper fraction to a mixed number. What I want to do is I want to turn all of these into improper fractions. Once I do that, I'm going to find the least common denominator. Once I do that, I'm going to add my fractions up. I'll probably get an improper fraction again and then turn it back into a mixed number. So let's do this. Let's turn 1 into an improper fraction. Well, first off, 1's not even a fraction, but I can turn any number into a fraction by putting it over the number 1. So 1 over 1 is 1. 11 over 6, how nice. That's already an improper fraction. Now, how do I turn a mixed number into an improper fraction? Multiply the whole number out in front to the denominator. So 2 times 2 is 4. Take that 4 and add it to the numerator. 4 plus 1 is 5. That becomes your new numerator, and your denominator of 2 stays the same. Now look at the numbers that we have in the denominators. They're all very nice. You are 1, you are 6, you are 2. 6 is a multiple of both of these numbers, so I don't have to go crazy trying to find the least common denominator because the least common denominator is already there, 6. So I have to change all of these denominators into 6. How do I turn that 1 into 6? Multiply it by 6. Whatever I do to the denominator, I do to the numerator as well. How do I turn 2 into 6? Multiply by 3. Whatever I do to the denominator, I do to the numerator as well. Now let's clean these up. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. Add that 11 over 6 that's already there. My denominator is perfect. And 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 3 is 6. Now that I have denominators of 6's, I can add these fractions. When adding fractions of the same denominator, you add the numerators up normally. So I'm going to do 6 plus 11 plus 15 off to the side here. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Write out your 2. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. We get 32. Now, add up the numerators. We found out that that's 32. Keep the denominator as 6. Don't change it. Now, what you're going to notice immediately is two things. First off, it's improper. We'll fix that. Second, though, is I can simplify this fraction. Both of these numbers are divisible by 2 because they're even. So I'm going to divide u by 2, and I'm going to divide u by 2. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So I get 16 over 3. Now what I have to do is turn that into a mixed number. So we're going to use long division to find out how many times 3 goes into 16. Well, I know 3 goes into 15 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. So when we subtract them, I'm going to get 16 minus 15, which is 1. With no more numbers to drop down, 1 becomes my remainder. So how do I turn that into a mixed number? The quotient of 5 becomes my whole number that lives out in front. The remainder of 1 is my new numerator. That 3 denominator, that was the denominator here, stays the denominator. So when all is said and done, we end up with the answer 5 1/3.